So Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and yeah, it's packing all the high-end stuff you'd expect. Big display? Check. New processor? Of course. An upgraded ultra-wide camera? Yep. And the design? It's lighter, slimmer, and has those nice rounded edges for a more comfortable feel. But here's the catch. Samsung made a pretty unexpected move with the S Pen. They've ditched the Bluetooth features. No more air actions, no remote camera control, none of that. Instead, you're getting a basic, non-Bluetooth S Pen in the box. Why? Well, Samsung says it's all about making the phone lighter and sleeker. By removing the Bluetooth components, they managed to shave off about 15 grams compared to last year's model. And with the new rounded design, they're really pushing for better ergonomics. But let's be real, it's also about money. Samsung's plan? Sell the Bluetooth S Pen separately. Yep, if you want those remote features, you'll have to buy it as an extra accessory. Funny enough, Samsung even mentioned it in a blog post, highlighting how the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen can boost productivity, like acting as a remote for the camera, but it's sold separately. Right now, you can't find the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen on Samsung's official site, but the standard one, model EJ-PS938, is up for grabs at $49.99 in the US and £49 in the UK. But the Bluetooth version? Expect it to cost more. And here's the real question. Would anyone actually pay extra for something that was free with last year's model? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, that's it for this short video. Peace.